Hello students, welcome to all of you Shiksha 3 system, that is CAP classes. In this session we will discuss regarding the chapter number 3 part 2 of the ABM. As in the previous session we have discussed regarding the mean, and today we will discuss some of the other points regarding the mean. These all types of the things we have already covered clear as of school times. Now here once again they have included in the examination. Today we will try to cover regarding the combined arithmetic mean and some other basic questions regarding that mean. After that we will cover the geometric mean. Clear? After that we will cover the geometric mean in this session. Clear? And harmonic mean and means and quartiles we will cover in the next session. Clear? We will cover in the next session. It will take a time. Clear? Because the questions are little bit lengthier. In the third part we will discuss that, and in the fourth part we will discuss regarding the mode and the range and the coefficient of range. Clear? Mode and the range and the coefficient of range. Okay, this is very important for the examination point of view. So let's start our discussion on the basis of that very easy topic. If we are able to understand, then it is very easy, otherwise it becomes typical. Clear? Totally numerical portion here. Now let's start. So combined arithmetic mean. Clear? Combined arithmetic mean, like we can say that what is the meaning of that? Where when they have given 2 to 3 means in the question. Clear? 2 to 3 means in the question along with the number of data of that question. Like here, if x1, x2, clear? If x1 and x2 are the arithmetic means of the two samples. Clear? If x1 and x2, if x1 bar and the x2 bar. What is that? Clear? If the x1 bar and the x2 bar are the arithmetic mean. Clear? Are the arithmetic mean of two sample sizes of size n1 and n2 respectively. Clear? Of two sample sizes of size n1 and n2 respectively, then the combined arithmetic mean. Clear? So in that case, then the combined arithmetic mean, that is x bar of the distribution coming the two, can be calculated as. So overall mean, that is combined arithmetic mean, that is x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. Clear? Upon n1 plus n2. Clear? So this is the combined arithmetic mean, that is n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. Clear? So this is the combined arithmetic mean. Now we will discuss the question on the basis of that. Clear? Whatever we have discussed the formula in the above point, now we have to discuss the question. That is question what it says. That this is the question directly we are taking from the book. Whatever is mentioned we will discuss. Clear? So the average marks of a group of 100 students. Clear? That the average marks of a group of 100 students in mathematics are 60. Okay, like we can say that n1 here 100, x1 bar we can say that like it is 60. And for the other group of students, that is n2 here it is to be 50, and x bar 2 here it is to be 90. Clear? And x bar here is to be 90. So find the average marks combined group. Clear? So n1 plus n2, it is to be 100 plus 50. It is overall 150. That is what they have saying that. So now we have to calculate the combined arithmetic mean, that is x bar is equal to n1. What is n1 here? That is 100 into 60 plus 90 into 50 upon 150 is equal to 600 is equal to 60 into 100, that is 6000. Clear? 60 into 100, that is 6000. 90 into 45, 90 into 50, it is to be 4500. Clear? It is to be 4500 upon 150. Clear? Upon 150. So x bar is equal to n1 x1, whatever this formula we have just directly putting the values in that. n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. Clear? So 100 into 60 plus 90 into 50 upon 150. Clear? 6000 plus 4500 upon 150. So this comes out to, just we can take that, we can say that single zero we have cancelled over. So 600 plus 450. So 1050 upon 15. So when we cancel it on the 5, so 210 upon 3. So it comes out to be 70. Clear? So it comes out to be 70. So 70 here is the answer. Clear? So x bar comes out to be 70. So please tell fast now. It is clear to all of you regarding the average marks. That is just we are simply putting the values in the formula, that is x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. Clear? Upon n1 plus n2. All the information it is given in the question, just we have to solve that. Clear? Now we will move towards the next question, similar type of question. In that little bit, they will variate the question. Clear? How? Let's discuss regarding that. Let's move towards next question. That is what it says, that in the private health club, clear question, next question, that is in the private health club, there are 200 members. Clear? In the private health club, there are 200 members. So N1, like further this one, like this one, clear, like this one. So 200 members, total members, that is 100 is to be men, that N1 is to be 100. We can say that 80 women, that N2 it is to be 80, and 20 children, that is N3 it is to be 20. The average weight of the men, women, and children. For men, it is to be 60 kg. For women, it is to be 50 kg. And for children, it is to be 35 kg. Clear? For children, it is to be 35 kg. So then what is the average weight? Average weight is equal to N1 into X1 bar. This one it is X1 bar, X2 bar, X3 bar. So N1 plus X1 bar plus N2 X2 bar plus N3 X3 bar upon N1 plus N2 plus N. So N1 X1 bar, what is N1? That is 100 into X1 bar, it is 60. Plus N2, that is 80 into 50. Plus 20 into 35. Upon it is to be 200. 6,000, 4,000, 700. Okay. Upon 200. So it comes out to be 10,700 divided by 200. So it comes out to basically 10,700 divided by 200. It comes out to be 53.5. So this will be the answer. Clear? That is 53.5. This will be the answer. Clear? So this will be the average weight of the combined group. Clear? So this will be the average weight of the combined group. Clear? So kindly remember regarding that also. Clear? How we will calculating? Just simple. We are putting the values in the formula. Either it is to be 1, it is to be 2, or it is to be 3. Clear? And definitely I will say that you will get questions from that in the examination. Just you have to understand these things properly. Now move to the next point. Now here there is little bit less information they have given, and we have to calculate whatever they have given. Clear? Whatever information they have given. Next question, that is an average daily wage of all that 90 workers, that is total N. We can say that 90, that is N1 plus N2, like in this way. Okay. Average daily wage of all the 90 workers in a factory, it is to be 60. Clear? That is, it is to be 60 here, and number of workers, it is to be 90. And average daily wage of the female worker, that is X1 bar, that is of female, it is to be 45. And X2 bar we have don't know till now. Calculate the average daily wage of the male workers. Clear? So X2 bar, it is of male workers. And if 1/3 of the workers are male. Clear? So total workers, we know that total workers here, it is to be 90. Male workers 1/3. So 1/3 of total workers, that is 90, it is to be 30. So female workers, out of the total workers, we have to take out the female workers from that. Clear? So it is to be 60. Clear? So now multiply it. This is female, so multiply it by 60, and X2 bar, it is for males, it is multiplied by 30. So X1 bar, that is 45 into 60 plus X2 bar into 30. So it comes out to be 9 6 of 55400. It is 45 into 60. It is equal to 2700 plus 30 X2 bar. So it is 2700 is equal to 30 X2 bar. Okay. So what is the value of X2 bar? Kindly tell fast. What is the value of the X2 bar? That is x2 bar is equal to 2700 upon 30. Cancel out, it comes out to be 90. Clear? So x2 bar, that is the average daily wage of the male worker is to be 90. Clear? That is, it is double. Clear? It is double. As the strength of the male member, it is half. So the average daily wage of the male worker, it is to be double here. Clear? It is to be double here. Okay. So kindly remember these things. How we are moving toward the question. Just we are simply rotating that simple formula. Clear? Just we are simply rotating that simple formula. Now move to the next question. Clear? Now move to the next question. Next question, it is also on that, but there is little more twist in the question. Clear? So what they say, that let's try to understand. So as per the question, the average, or we can say that mean or average, we know that basically average of 25 observations was found to be 78.4. That is average. N is here, it is to be 25, and average they will x bar they will given 70. So what is the total count? So average is equal to total upon number. Kindly remember this formula, just simpler, total upon number. So here we will know that average is equal to 25. Total we have to find that number, it is 78.4. So here total comes out to be 78.4 into 25. It comes out to be 1960. Clear? So total here comes out to be 1960. Clear? Now further what they want to say here in the question, but later on it was observed. Clear? But later on it was observed that what it was observed, that 96. Clear? Actual the word it is to be 96, but was misread as a 69. Clear? That is in the total. Clear? Actual the word it is to be 96. Okay. Actual the number which we have to add here, it is to be 96, but by mistaken we add it as a 69. Clear? But by on the speedy, basically when we are going to calculate, we add it as a 69. Clear? We add it as 69. Clear? So what we have to do now, just we have to add the original number and we have to subtract the wrong number. That is 69 as misread. So we have to now calculate the correct total. Clear? Calculate the correct total, because we have to calculate the correct mean. Correct total, that is out of the total, we have to subtract the wrong number, that is 69, and we have to add the original number, that is 96. Clear? We have to add the original number, that is 96. So when we are subtracting 69 from that plus 96, so it comes out to be 1987. Clear? So gross correct total, it comes out to be 1987. So what is the correct mean? Clear? So correct mean here, it is equal to correct total upon total number. So what is the total number here? That is correct total, that is 1987 upon total number, that is 25. Just we have to do that. 1987 divided by 25, it comes out to be 79.48. Clear? It comes out to basically 79.4. So this is the correct mean. Clear? So this is the correct mean here. So this is our answer. Clear? So please tell fast now. This question clear to all of you. Just what they have to say, that mean of 25 observations. Clear? That a mean of 25 observations was found to be 78.4. Clear? Was found to be 78.4. But later on it was observed or find that 96. That is actually it was 96, but it was taken as 69. Clear? So we have to be subtract the 69 from that and add 96 in that. Clear? And 96 in that. Clear? So after that, we have to calculate the correct mean. Clear? And after that, in the end, we have to calculate the correct mean. Okay. Now move to the next point. This is also similar type of question, but now there is little bit more information given here, and on the basis of that, we have to calculate the question. So what it says, that the mean salary, that is the average salary of 50 employees, that is N, of a company was computed at 680 per month. Clear? That is 680 total upon 50. Okay. And I request to all of you, please tell fast what is the correct answer of this question. Already we have discussed this type of question in the previous one. Okay. So the mean salary of 50 employees of a company was computed at 680 per month. So later on, it was found that the salary of Mr. X, clear that the salary of Mr. X was taken as rupees 270. Clear that the salary of Mr. X was taken as rupees 270 instead of 720. Clear, instead of rupees 720. Clear that the salary of Mr. X, clear that the salary of Mr. X was taken as rupees 270. Clear, was taken as rupees 270 instead of 720. Clear. So first of all, here what we have to calculate the total. Total here is equal to 50 into 680. Clear, total here that is 50 into 680, which comes out to be 34,000. Now we have to move towards the correct total. So how we have to calculate the correct total? Later on, it was found that the salary of Mr. X was taken as 270. Clear, that is actual, they have taken it as 270, but in the actual, that is they have taken 270, but actual it is 720. Clear, so we have taken 270, so we have taken subtracted from that. Clear, whatever we have taken the wrong value, we will take subtract, and we have add the correct value. Clear, and we have add the correct value. Clear, so minus 270 plus 720. So the correct total here, it is to be basically 34,450. Clear. So the correct total here, it is to be 34,450. Clear. 34,450. Now we will move towards the next. What will be the correct mean salary? Clear. Correct. Correct mean salary, it is to be 34,450 upon 50. Clear. 34,450 upon 50. Clear. So divide it by 50. Clear. So it comes out to be 689. Okay. So correct mean salary, that is 34,450. That is correct total upon the number of employees, that is 50. So it comes out to be 689. Clear. So it comes out to be 689. So 689, that is, this will be the correct answer. That what will be the correct mean salary, that is 689. Clear. So this will be the answer. Okay. So in this way, you have to calculate, and please, I request you once again, please try to calculate these questions, because in the examinations, we will don't know whether they will give the options or not. Clear, as per their criteria, they will not give the options for the numerical type of question. So please try to remember that, understand that how we are solving these questions. Even if you are facing any issue in any question, so you can ask your doubts. Now we will move towards the next, some other points. What are the merits and the demerits of the arithmetic mean? Clear, what are the merits and the demerits of the arithmetic mean? So let's discuss. First one, it is rigidly defined. It is easy to calculate and simple to follow. That is, it is based on all the observations. It is determined for almost every kind of data. Just we have to add and divide it by the total number. It is finite and indefinite. It is readily put to algebraic treatment, and it is least affected by the fluctuation of the sampling. Clear? By the fluctuation of the sampling. Next one, that is, what is the demerits? It is highly affected by the extreme values. Clear? It is highly affected. Like we can say that, like all the values like 4, 7, 8, 11, 15, like this. So one value we can say that it is minus 15, and another value it is 100. So these values will play an important role here. Clear? So these values will play an important role here. That is, this is the thing here. They are saying that it is highly affected by the extreme values. Next one, it cannot average the ratios and percentages properly. Clear? It cannot average the ratios and percentages properly. Next one, it is not an appropriate average for highly skewed distribution. Clear? Not appropriate. Clear? It is not a good way. That's why we are using another way, which we will discuss in the upcoming session. Next one, it cannot be computed accurately if any item is missing. Clear? It cannot be computed accurately if any item is missing, which we have already discussed here, checked here. Clear? That is, if we will take any wrong item, so it will give the wrong result. The mean sometimes does not coincide with any of the observed value, clear, with any of the observed value, clear. Like we can say that we have taken the marks of 20 students, clear. Even after that, we will get the mean is such a value that it does not match any of the data, clear, any of the observation basically which we will get. Or we can say that we are having 20 marks students, clear, marks of the 20 students, and the average it is not matched with any of the marks, clear, with any of that marks. Next one, that is mean cannot be calculated when open and class intervals are present in the data, clear, because for that we have to, that is all the data, clear, open and class data. In that case we are not able to calculate the mean, clear, in that case we are not able to calculate the mean. Okay, now move to the next point, that is the geometric mean, clear. Next point, that is the geometric mean, clear. So this is the another concept here, and a short concept, not that much lengthier. Geometric mean, it is a short concept. So what is that geometric mean? What is that? Basically it is the average value. Geometric mean, it is the average value or the mean which measure the central tendency of the set of numbers by taking the root of the product of their values, clear. Like this way we have to take the square root, clear, we have to take the square root. Like if there are three values, so we will take like three values, like, so in that case 3 here is equal to, like, the value is 149, like this way, clear. So we will take the cube root of that. Okay, so in this way we have to calculate, that is by nth root, clear, by nth root, that is by taking the root, not square root. So geometric mean, it is the average value or mean, clear. So what is geometric mean? It is the average value or mean which measure the central tendency, clear, which measure the central tendency of the set of numbers, clear, which measure the central tendency of the set of numbers by taking the root of the product of their values, clear, by taking the root of the product of their values. Geometric mean takes into account the compounding effect of the data, clear. Geometric means basically takes into account the compounding effect of the data that occurs from period to period, clear, that occurs from period to period. And very, very important thing regarding that, as we don't know whether the arithmetic mean it is to be positive or negative on the basis of the data, but geometric mean it is always positive, calculated for the positive values, clear, because here we have to calculate the root. Okay, so geometric mean, it is always less than the arithmetic mean, clear. First point here, that is a geometric mean is always less than the arithmetic mean, clear. First point here, that is the geometric mean, it is always less than the arithmetic mean, and it is calculated only for the positive values, clear. So here we will get two values, that is arithmetic mean, it is more than the geometric mean, clear. Why I will write this line? Because next we will cover the harmonic mean, after that we will cover this relation, clear. What is the relationship between the harmonic mean among the geometric mean and the arithmetic mean, clear, we will cover that in the next point, clear, we will cover that in the next point. Okay, so now move to the next question with respect to that. So some of the applications, that is, it is used in the stock indexes, it is used to calculate the annual return on the portfolio, clear, that is on calculating the portfolio annual return. What is to be used? That is geometric mean, it is to be used. It is used to finance the average growth rates, which are also referred to the compounded annual growth rate, that is CAGR. Sometimes you have heard this word, that is CAGR, clear, like you have seen the balance sheets of the companies, clear. So you have seen that CAGR, clear, regarding that. Like presently, all the banks will present their quarterly result, that is December quarterly result. So you will see that, clear. So how it will be calculated? It will be calculated on the basis of the geometric mean, clear. Presently, all the calculators are available here. That's why we are not moving towards these things, clear. What is the background of that calculation, clear? What is the formula of that thing? Next one, it is also used in the studies, clear. It is also used in the studies like cell division and bacterial growth, etc. Clear, it is also used, clear. It is also used in the studies like cell division and bacterial growth, etc. Clear, like cell division and bacterial growth, etc. Okay. Now move to the question regarding that. So what is the geometric mean of the ungrouped or the raw data? Clear? What is the geometric mean of the ungrouped of the raw data? Or like we consider x1, x2 up to xn are the n observations. Clear? Are the n observation of x. And we have to calculate the geometric mean. Clear? So that is, and it is the number of observations. And this is the values. Clear? X1, x2, it is the data. So if it is n value, so we divided by the nth root. Clear? So we will take the nth root. Like we have to calculate, find the geometric mean of the values. Clear? So these are four values: 10, 24, 15, 32. So now we have to calculate the geometric mean. So we know that n here it is to be 4. So we have to calculate the fourth root. That is, we will take it 4. 10 into 24 into 15 into 32. So otherwise we can, how we can calculate, like we can try to make it like this way. Like it is 4. If in the calculator that like fourth root it is not available, 2 into 5 into 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 3 24. Okay, 15, that is 3 into 5 32. How? Just simply 2 16 2 8 2 4 2 2 2 1. So 2 time, how many times 2? That is, it is to be 5 times. So try to make out 1 2 3 4 2 power 4 into 2 power 5. This is to be left. Okay. So 5 1 5 2 and 3 3 1 3 2 3 power 2. So we will take like this one here: 2 4 into 2 4 into 2 1 into 5 2 into 3 2. So these two will come out that 4 into 2 into 25 into 9. Clear? So we will write this one: 50 into 9. It comes out to 4 into fourth root of 450. So just we have to calculate that. Clear? Just we have to calculate that, this one. So sometimes we have to go with this type of calculation. Clear? Sometimes we have to go with this type of a calculation. Okay, with this type of a calculation regarding the nth root. Clear? Regarding the nth root, like fourth root. But in the examination, you will rarely these types of question. But it is our practice that we are able to calculate all these things. Clear? We are able to calculate all these things. So wait a minute, I will try to calculate. Okay. So what will be the answer here? So on solving that, we will get here, that is 18.4323. Clear? 18.423. Okay. So this one will be the answer. Clear? So this one will be the answer. So just what we have to do, take 2 times the square root of that. Clear? Because in the simple calculator, I think the square root it is available. Just you have to take 2 times that. Otherwise, you have to go through that detailed calculation. Okay, so this will be the answer. That is the geometric mean. Clear? That is the geometric mean. Now we'll more discuss one more question, that is geometric mean of the grouped or the raw data. Clear? Earlier it is ungrouped. Now we have to calculate regarding the grouped or the raw data. So that is geometric mean is equal to, and that is number of data, that is x1 f1 x2 f2. What is the meaning of that? Like calculate the geometric mean. Clear? 1 occurs 5 times, 2 occurs 6 times, 3 occurs 5 times, and 4 occurs 10 times. So what will be the geometric mean here? That is geometric mean here, that is, so 1 power 5 into 2 power 6 into 3 power 5 into 4 power 10. And this is like, we can say that idler we like 2, or we can write it like 1 by 2. Clear? So it is equal to power, that is 1 upon 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10. So on solving this one, clear, on solving this one, what we will get here? Clear? Like 1 power 5, that is just to be 1 into 2 power 6. So I will tell what is the 2 power 6. So 1 into 64 into 3 power 5, it comes out to be 243 into 4 power 10. It is very big value, that is 104857. Now we have to take this one road, clear? 1 upon 26, clear? So in this way, these types, if this type of question they will ask in the examination, so they will give you the values, clear? So they will give you the value that what is the value of the 1 by 20, 1 by 26, clear? So the correct answer, that is 2.4705, clear? 2.4705. So this is the value, or this is the way how we can calculate the geometric mean. So please tell fast now if you have any doubt, any query regarding up to this much point. Please respond fast. If you have any doubt, any query regarding up to this much point, regarding we have discussed till now two parts. Clear? First one, that is regarding the arithmetic mean. Second, which we have covered in this session, that is the geometric mean. Please respond fast if you have any doubt, any query regarding that. Okay. So thanks to all of you for joining this session. In the next session, we will try to cover the harmonic mean, clear, and harmonic mean, and we will start the median. Clear? In the next session, we will try to cover the harmonic mean, and we'll start the, and we will also discuss what is the relationship between all these three mean, and we will start the next one, that is the median. Okay. We will try to cover both the things in the next session. So thanks to all of you for joining this session.